Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to explain another Shopware module. So today is the turn for Shopware order attachments. Yes, with this module the customer can upload attachments in whatever the file extensions is allowed by the admin, whether it's JPG, JPEG, PDF, doc, or whatever is allowed by the admin. So the customer would be able to add the attachments for that order while buying the product during the checkout process or after placing the order. So the customer can add the attachments or the PDF in the order. Now the admin can accept or deny that attached file. After that the order status will automatically be changed, and the admin can view, cancel, and accept the attachments uploaded by the customer. Talking further in more detail about the features of this module, so the customer would be able to add multiple attachments, like whatever the number that admin has allowed to be attached during placing an order for that particular for that particular product. So customer would be able to add or upload multiple attachments at the time of placing an order. Also, the customer would be able to add comments while uploading order attachment, and you should know that the code is open source, so you can easily customize it as per your requirement. And this module will also provide the multiple file formats or the extensions that is supported by the module. So the admin would be able to fill in the details, like whether he wants to allow PDF, doc, or JPG, JPG, PNG, or PDF. So whatever the file types are allowed, so so whatever the multiple file upload is applicable with a single order that is completely configurable from the admin end. So before we dive further into the workflow of the module, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any update or notification from our channel. So now let's quickly jump into the workflow of the module. So this is the admin panel of the module, and after the successful installation of this Shopware order attachment module, you need to go to the settings, and then you need to go to the system. And here you will go to the plugins, and in the plugins, when you click on it, you will find the list of all the modules which are there. So here you can find order attachments module on the top, and here you can see the name of the plugin and then the status that it is activated. Now the version of the module, now here you see the three icon button. You need to click on this and you will find this configuration, description, and uninstall. So I need to configure the module, so I will click on this configuration. So you click on the configuration and the admin will find this general setting that he needs to fill in. So there are certain fields that you need to fill in. So like the very first one is the sales channel in this general setting though. So select the sales channel, either headless or the Webcool shop from this drop down menu, or all sales channel if you want to select all the sales channel. So here I'm selecting all sales channel. Now the next is allowed supported. This module supports PDF, doc, docx, JPG, JPG, PNG format for the attachment. So the admin can specify the allowed file type extensions for the attachment file, like whatever the attachments that he wants to allow the customer to upload while placing the order during checkout. So he can do it from here. So here let me add some another extensions as well. So the next is maximum number of file. So enter the maximum number of file that you want the customer to upload. It should be between 1 to 10. So next is maximum file size. So you can enter the maximum file size in MB, that is from 1 to 10 MB for the attachment uploads. And once you will be done filling in all these details, you just need to click on the save button to save the configuration. And here you can see that clicking on the save button, your configuration has been saved. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to configure, you need to you can explore the order attachment features or the functionalities in the admin backend. So for that I have selected settings, then I'll go to plugins, and in the plugins here you will find two options here: enable attachment for product and order attachment. So I'm going to explain each one of them one by one individually. So let's start with this enable attachment for product. So let me click on this. Once you will click on this enable attachment for the product tab, it will take you to enable attachment for the product page. Here the admin can select the products for order attachment. After selecting the product, admin need to select any like options from the followings. So from here you can select one or the multiple products, and you can delete it here. So you can perform the mass delete action here by selecting these products. From here you can add a new product also. Now on the clicking on this three icon button that you are seeing it here, you will be able to edit this here. And here you will find the name of the product and then the attachment required. So you see this toggle button there. So from drop down menu you will be able to select the product, and I'm talking about, and after selecting the product, you can use this toggle button to enable or disable the attachment requirement. Like if you want the attachment for this product, you can enable it, and then you need to click on save button. Once you click on the save button, you will see that the product is updated, right? And then the next thing is order attachment. So also similarly, you can, as you have edited, you can also create a new product and enable the order attachment for it. So this is all about this section. Now let me go back to the settings, and let me explain you this another menu option, that is order attachments. So once the customer places the order, here we find this order attachment. To view order attachment files, as I'll be explaining now, so the admin needs to click on this the order attachment menu. So let me click on this order attachments, and this will take you to a page where we'll find the details like the order number, customer name, comments, and all other details. So once I click here, you can see this here, that the order number is there, then the customer name, then the comment of the customer for this particular order, then media number. So from here, after accessing all these details, you will find this checkbox. So you can also perform the mass delete action by selecting one or multiple products. Now you will find this three icon buttons. You will click on this, and you will find this view button. You will click on the view button. This will take you to this page of the order attachment, where you can see the details of the order attachment or that particular order related to the attachment. So and the status also. So the admin can also change the status of that attachments that customer has uploaded, and from here you can also print it. And like I'm scrolling it down, and here you can see the options like the payment status, and then this delivery status, order status, and all the other details, product quantity, billing address. You can also change the payment status and delivery status, order status. So you can configure all these details from here, and you can find all the details about this particular order related to the customer. You will click on this edit button, and you will be able to click edit the information. So you can select this checkbox to accept or deny, or you will not select to deny the attachment that has been uploaded by the customer for this particular order. And here you can view the comment of the customer and the status, and all the other details here. So also, like if even if you want to view this particular attachment information or this product order information, you can see this print button here. So and so you will just go to this print button, and you will click this print button after accepting or whatever the changes you want to make, and then you can save the data by clicking on the save button. Once you click on the save button, let me show you how it looks like. So let me click on the print button, and if the moment I click on the print button, you can see this on the screen, all the details, the name of the customer and other details, and the like the payment and all the other details. So you can print the entire information from here. So this is all about the admin panel of this module. So in the next video, I'm going to explain the customer and workflow for this module. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.